Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll be assembling the 1918 Howitzer, so it comes as a kit. Here is the assembled one with wagon wheels. The assembly of the one with the tires is exactly the same. So if you bought the one with the wagon wheels, go ahead and use this assembly video for that one too. So take your clippers, start to cut away at these sprue pieces. There's one tire. There is another tire. Clean up that sprue bark. Clean up this. There you go. There's that piece. One thing you can do if you wish. Just continue cutting like this. Before going to the next part, see this needs to clean up that. There's these pieces here. So just clean up all that stuff. Alrighty, so there's that piece. Now let's do this piece. Clean up that part and clean up this sprue bark too. There you go. So the cutting away process is done for this kit. So just take your glue, put a little glue like this. Some glue there, some glue there. There you have it. There's that. While that's drying, one more sprue bark to clean up. You want to have these two pieces glued together. So take these two pieces with the glue on it and let's have that joined together. Now what you can do next is this. Put glue there. And then you want to take and put this piece like that. There you go. Don't let that happen. Now, hold that or use like an extremely quick setting glue or something. Try to get that to set like that. You see with the other one how that piece is. Just let that piece dry. While that top piece is drying, I'm going to put some glue on this side and glue on that side. Then take the axle piece, try to make it go into the center of the wheel. Same for the other side, of course. And then you can test it to see how it fits. All right, there they are. The one with the tires and the one with the wagon wheels. These are available at Miniature Tanks Company website, miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.